Have you been scrolling lately and seen those videos where, like, a random object just starts talking and telling you its life story? Yeah, they are absolutely everywhere. And today, we are going to break down exactly how you can make your own.
It all starts with a simple idea, right? Like this poor, sad dustbin just sharing its feelings. This is the exact kind of viral thing we're going to create, right here, right now. And trust me, you'll be shocked at how easy it is. And I am not exaggerating when I say these things go viral. We're talking simple, short little videos of talking stuff, and they are racking up millions and millions of views. It's wild.
So, how about it? You want to learn how to make one for yourself totally free in like the next 5 minutes? Awesome, let's dive in.
Okay, first things first, we need our star. We need our character. And for that, we're going to use a free AI tool called Gemini to generate the image.
Now, the secret sauce to any great AI image is a great prompt. You can think of it like you're giving directions to an artist, so let's build ours piece by piece. You want to start super simple. Just name your object.
For this little walkthrough, we're going to stick with our classic dustbin.
All right, next up, you gotta set the scene. Where is this object of yours?
So our dustbin is going to be in a garbage area, to give it some context.
And here's where the magic really happens. This is where the personality comes from. How does your object feel?
We're going to go with sad. This one little word is what tells the AI to create an image that has some real feeling to it. Okay, now listen up. This next part is absolutely crucial. You cannot forget this. At the end of your prompt, add image size 916. This tells the AI to make it a vertical image, perfect for TikTok, Reels, Shorts, the whole deal.
And that's pretty much it. You just put all those pieces together in one prompt, smash that generate button, and the AI works its magic in just a few seconds.
And would you look at that? I mean, it's perfect. This shows you just how powerful a good prompt is. Because we told it sad, the AI even added tears. It totally got the vibe. Awesome. Now just go ahead and download that image.
Okay, so our character is ready to go. Now it's time to bring it to life. For this, we're going to jump over to another free tool, Google Flow, to turn this static image into a talking video.
So once you're inside Flow, there's a really quick one-time setup. First, go to your settings and pick a portrait aspect ratio. Next, for the model, you're going to want to select VGNE 3.1 fast. And finally, choose the frame to video tool. That's it. You're all set up and ready to upload your picture. And yeah, you guessed it, just like with the image, we need another simple prompt. This one's going to tell the AI how to make our character move and what it's supposed to say.
This prompt has 3 super easy parts. First, just name your object again. Second, you're going to write the exact dialogue word for word. And third, describe the voice you want it to have. For us, that's going to be a sad, teary voice.
Okay, we are almost done, but please do not click away. What's on this next slide is the one secret detail that's going to make your video's audio sound incredibly professional and, authentic. This is a big one. You really got to pay close attention here. If your dialogue is in a language like Hindi or Urdu, do not type it phonetically, using English letters. If you do, the AI is going to generate this really weird, unnatural sounding accent. The key, and I mean this is the key, is to write the dialogue in its own native script. It makes all the difference in the world. And hey, don't worry if you're thinking, I can't type in that script. The fix is so easy. Just use a tool like ChatGPT to translate your dialogue for you. Then you just copy it and paste it right into the prompt. Easy peasy. And that is the entire process. Seriously. In just a few minutes, you've gone from a simple idea to a fully animated talking character. Let's do a super quick recap of the formula. Here it is, the 4-step formula to viral video glory. 1. Generate your character's image in Gemini. 2. Remember to set that image size to 9:16. 3. Animate that image in Flow. And 4. The most important part, use the native script for your dialogue. That is the real secret to making it sound perfect. So there you have it, the complete playbook. A coffee mug, your laptop, a lonely sock that lost its partner? The only question left is, what are you going to make talk first?